it's Jeff again with BTE. I'm here to show you today some exercises that we can use for more of an athletic population. We're going to demonstrate some soccer-specific skills. So regardless of whether you are working on isolated activities, using one tool all the way up to integrated activities with the cable system, the PrimusRS is going to offer you a significant amount of versatility for that athletic group. You can use your Primus system to simulate sport-specific movements. In this example, we're simulating throwing in a soccer ball. For kicking exercises, you can work on the plant leg, or in this case, the kick leg. Lower extremity balancing exercises. As part of your ACL rehab or any lower extremity rehab, using your cable system can give you quite a bit of versatility. Here we have forward lunges. And go ahead and increase the complexity of the movement.
You have two dedicated ankle attachments, one for plantar flexion or dorsiflexion, and the other for inversion and eversion. Both can be used in the concentric eccentric mode to provide resistance in either direction in order to strengthen the ankle for return to play.